This is a simple and fast review of the REEVAA Tesla Model Y dual layer sunshade. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get this out of its box, it does come with some information. It is kind of sealed, like vac sealed, so just be aware that you may need to cut into it, so I'll do that. And so once you remove it from that, it does have its own little case, as you can tell, this little bag, and then you'll just be able to unfold this thing. And I'll do this in the car, but just kind of showing you quickly what the interior or the outside looks like, the black, and then the interior we're going to undo here and just try and get you an angle. Hang on. Sorry, be patient with me. I'm trying to just get you a look at what that looks like. So that'll be kind of the exterior. So we'll go ahead, put it in the car, show you what it looks like. All right, so as we try and get this in here, make sure that your connection is open. And then we're just gonna slide it on in to position. Now the key with these is always to make sure that you're utilizing your visors to hold this in place. And overall it does an absolutely fantastic job. I mean, there's some spots where I could probably tighten it up a little bit, and on the far side I just need to kind of make adjustments as far as how it's kind of leaning in and separating and all that, but overall it's a really nice fit. So it looks great, and so we'll go ahead and fold it back up and put it in the storage bag. All right, so the fold up process is pretty simple and basic. You're just gonna have it flattened out and then just fold on like opposite corners until you get a couple of circles. There'll be a couple circles, and there will be a small circle, or at least there is for me when I fold it up. But it folds up great. It'll hold in place because it's got the Velcro on the cover. Small enough to actually just put back in the box. So that's probably something you can do if you want to keep it in your trunk or frunk. But I'm just going to keep it underneath my seat. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review has helped you. Thanks for watching.